Hello everybody, Mark Stock here, and I'm in Ocheyedan, Iowa with Larry Leckband, who is selling his tractor collection coming up on BigIron.com on October the 7th. Larry, we are standing in front of 3 of some of your pride and joy. Do you want to tell us about them?
Start with the yellow one on the end. It originated as a Nebraska DOT tractor, was painted the state color. I restored it or repainted it. That's all I did to it. It's a low-hour tractor, fun deal. It is a low boy, the rare version. These are homemade twins. People ask me why I did it. It's nothing but a high-priced toy, I tell them. They ask me sometimes if it was factory, and the international guy said a guy came in and wanted a tractor for his Siamese twins, so I built it.
Here we go, something special here.
This one here, this tractor here, going to Minneapolis one time, stumbled onto a consignment sale going on alongside the road, stopped. This tractor sat there with a 1/4 inch thick layer of dust on it, no muffler, flat front tires. I ended up buying it, and then immediately, a guy, it was a 2-ring sale deal, was at the other ring. He ran up there and wanted to buy it. I said, why? He said it was stored in a barn on the neighbor's farm for 60 years. A young man bought it, drafted in World War II, and never came home. The tractor cleaned up real nice, started right up, and the tires are original, and it was built in October of 1940, and the paint is original. If you look at it real close, it's got little spider web marks in it from age.
I tell you what, it's a great line of tractors. You just saw 3 of 54 tractors, folks, that will be selling here October the 7th. The public inspection to view all of Larry's collection will be on October the 3rd. We'll see you at BigIron.com. You can be the owner of this beauty.